Alright, so now I'm going to, I just finished washing the wheels. We're going to go ahead and wash the paint. It's been a week since I ceramic coated this thing with the new Gyeon Syncro. I'm shooting this on a GoPro cam and I've got it on the head strap. So I just kind of wanted to show what Syncro looks like. And Syncro is a combination of Mo's with a topper called Skin. So we're going to try that out. I just want to show you the initial rinse. You can see how the paint is dirty. So there is dirt on the paint, and then the glass has optimum Optiglass coating on it. So let's check out the initial rinse here. It's kind of warm out today. I really don't wash in direct sun when it's a little this warm here, which is nice in the winter day. I'm here in SoCal, so at least I don't have to deal with the snow like those in the East Coast. So let's check it out. You can see how hydrophobic that is. And this is Skin, which is I think it's a silicone based top coat. So I just want to show you the initial rinse. I'm going to go ahead and finish washing this. Shampoo wise, I've got I'll just walk over to put that down. Shampoo wise, it's Adam's car shampoo, and I'm going to use my foam gun. I don't have a pressure washer on here anymore. I'm probably going to get another one, but we'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse this off, and then we're going to check and see if after I wash it, if it does change the hydrophobic properties if using car shampoo. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I just finished washing this thing. We're going to go ahead and rinse it off. So, still strong hydrophobic properties in there, didn't change. So I'm going to go ahead and finish rinsing this off and drying it off because it's a little warm and I don't want to get water spots on here. So overall, first wash is good, very hydrophobic, really aggressive water beating on it, and real easy to clean up in terms of maintenance for washing it. So overall, pretty good for Gyeon Syncro. So I'm just go ahead and finish this up, and I'll come back and show the wheel maintenance part of it. All right. Now when I dry this off, I'm just going to dry this off with a towel. I got the Gyeon silk dryer, which I'm going to try out, and I'm not going to need a drying aid because I don't think a lot of water is going to be left when I sheet rinse this. So thanks for watching, and I'll be right back.